Hi friends, welcome to Toppers Institute Daily Current Affairs. This is Bhikshapati. So let us discuss about some of the important current affairs which came newspapers on June 23, 2020. The first point is here. So that is a AUEGS program. So many programs are there for the rural development and rural employment. And with the recently the state in India, that is a Kerala, the state in India recently started a program to provide the employment to the urban people. That the name of the program is here AUEGS. So what is the abbreviation of the AUEGS? Ayankali Urban Employment Guarantee Scheme. So recently AUGS, the program launched by which state in India? The state is here Kerala. The abbreviation also very important. This program is meant for the only, that is the urban people and urban employment. For example, that the rural employment, one of the famous program is there, that is the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Otherwise we called as the MGNREGS. But these are the state Kerala government launched this program to provide the employment to the urban people. That is the AUEGS. The present Kerala CM is Pinarayi Vijayan. The present Kerala governor his name is Muhammad Arif Khan, and Kerala is called as the Spices Garden of India. And then the another state, that is the Tripura state. Recently Tripura state launched one program. Tripura state launched one program, that is the Play Little, Study Little. So what is the purpose of this Play Little, Study Little? Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, the students are unable to going to the schools. That is the reason they lost their schooling. That is the reason Tripura State Education Department launched this program, Play Little, Study Little. So under this program, that Education Department provide the activities, exercises, and that is curricular and co-curricular activities in the television. So seeing that and watching that type of the program, so they are doing like that, play little and study little. That is in Tripura language, that is the Ektu Kelo, Ektu Pado. This program is launched by the Tripura. How we expect this bit in examination recently? So which state in India started Ektu Kelo, Ektu Pado or Play Little, Study Little program? That is the Tripura state. The present Tripura CM is Biplab Kumar Dev. Biplab Kumar Dev is the present Chief Minister of the Tripura, and the present Governor of the Tripura is Ramesh Bayas. And then one of the important science and technical update is there, that is the ISRO manufactured the one LSHG. What is LCHG? This is a garment, this is a dress that is manufactured indigenously by the ISRO for the astronauts. So in astronaut in the space, that conditions are sometimes may very cold, sometimes may that is a heat. So to protect the heat and cooling condition, the garments this dress is useful to the astronauts. So ISRO will be planning, that is a Gaganyaan, that means a manned space mission very soon. That is 2022. India going to be launch Gaganyaan to send India will be sent to the astronauts. So for this purpose, this garment dress is developed by the ISRO. And what is the here point? ISRO got the license. ISRO receives the license, that is called here patent to this dress, this astronauts garments. Patent, that means India, it is indigenous development developed this dress for the astronauts only. So what is LCHG? Light cooling and heat garment. Light cooling and heat garment for the astronauts. This is about dress got the patent received by ISRO. And then ISRO, everyone knows friends, ISRO that is started on 1969 August 15. The abbreviation of the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. The present chairman of the ISRO is Dr. K. Sivan, is called as the Rocket Man of India. And the headquarters of the ISRO located in Bangalore in Karnataka. And the next point is that IIT Delhi and that is the one of the associated body organization of the UNO, United Nations Work for Food Program. These two organization, so make a memorandum understanding about the to give or provide the food security to the people in India. So because of according to 2013 National Food Security Act, that is the government should provide the food to the that every citizen in India. So that means procurement of the food and storage of the food and transportation of the food to the various organizations, particularly the Food Corporation of India. This is the purpose. So how to develop, how to research level for this procurement and storage and movement or transportation of the food grains to various places. That is the purpose. This type of the points they are conduct research both these organizations, IIT Delhi and United Nations Work for Food Program. Recently in India, to provide the food security to the people of India, which two organization made a agreement, made a memorandum of the understanding, that is IIT Delhi and United Nations Work for Food Program. Okay, United Nations, the present United Nations of Organization Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. And then every year we celebrate that June 23 as a world, that means particular United Nations Public Service Day. So United Nations Public Service Day. So on the eve of June 23 to 2020, United Nations Public Service Day, United Nations of Organization will present a award to the Sheikh Hasina. Who is Sheikh Hasina, friends? The Prime Minister of the Bangladesh. So presented to a award by the United Nations. The name of the award is here, United Nations Public Service Award for the year of 2020. Very important bit. So who is Sheikh Hasina? The present Prime Minister of the Bangladesh. For the year of 2020, United Nations Public Service Award is presented to whom? That is just Sheikh Hasina. Sheikh Hasina for the welfare activities. That means develop and provide the welfare activities to the Bangladesh people. She received this award. Okay, and then it is a sports point of view. So domestic cricket stalwart. So domestic means he played to the that state cricket teams only, that Haryana, Punjab, Delhi state. So his name is Rajendra Goyal. So not participated in the national team. So as a not the member in national cricket team, only in that is called the only state cricket teams. He played to the Punjab, one of the players in the Punjab, and one of the players in Haryana, one of the players in the Delhi cricket team. His name is Rajendra Goyal, domestic cricket stalwart who passed away with the old age. Okay, and then what type of the question expecting from this point? Recently Rajendra Goyal passed away, who famous in which of these sports? That is the cricket. And then the Amish Tripathi, one of the famous writer, who recently released his book, that is a legend of Suhuldev, the king who saved India. This is the book recently released by the that is Amish Tripathi, who wrote this book. Amish Tripathi new book is Legend of Suhuldev, the king who saved India. Legend of Suhuldev, the king who saved India. And this is a new book, and the old books written, that is that other books also there who wrote this Amish Tripathi, that is the Immortals of the Meluha, and Immortal India. These two books also written by the Amish Tripathi. The new book is Legend of the Suhuldev, the king who saved India. So these are some of the important current affairs which came newspaper on June 23, 2020. So thank you very much, and tomorrow we will meet again.